Welcome back, lovely viewers, to another exciting episode of Winnie Academy. Today, we're diving headfirst into the fascinating world of investing for beginners. If you've ever wondered how to grow your money wisely, you've come to the right place. In just a few minutes, we'll introduce you to the fundamentals of investing, covering stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Let's start with the kingpin of investing, stocks. These are a share in the ownership of a company. When you buy a stock, you become a shareholder. Imagine owning a piece of Apple or Tesla. Stocks offer the potential for high returns, but also come with higher risk. Stay tuned to know more. Now, let's talk bonds, the reliable companions in your investment journey. Bonds are like loans you give to companies or governments. In return, you receive periodic interest payments, and when the bond matures, you get your initial investment back. Bonds offer steady income and less risk compared to stocks. And here comes the game-changer, mutual funds. These are like a basket of investments that give you instant diversification. A professional fund manager handles your investments, making it perfect for beginners. With mutual funds, you spread your risk and maximize your potential for growth. So, there you have it, my fellow learners. Investing for beginners made simple: stocks for growth, bonds for stability, and mutual funds for diversification. Your investment journey starts here. Remember, every great investor started somewhere. Start small, learn constantly, and over time, your money will start working for you. Thanks for joining us today on Winnie Academy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another exciting lesson. We're here to help you thrive in the world of finance. Stay curious, stay invested, and remember, the best time to start is now.